Our two countries are inextricably linked on so many levels. England is our nearest neighbour, and we share the same seas. And for many, in both our countries, there is an interwoven personal and family history. Tá ar pobl fitche fuche I síle céile leis na cianta. Tá nasc córsantachta ardrin cosú le nasc cluine agus cosú le héin clán tá jifriocht andrin freshen. For centuries, our history was one of colonizer and colonized, with all of the complexity that that brings. Indeed, we recently concluded the decade of centenaries, commemorating our revolutionary period, at the end of which Ireland became an independent, sovereign state and took her place as an equal amongst equals in the world. The decolonisation of Ireland, however, was not only about land and law. It was also about the decolonisation of our minds. That process in itself was challenging, but has over time allowed us to take confidence and pride in our culture, our language, and our identity. This process of reclaiming our identity could not happen, of course, without the contribution of the Irish in Britain.